Hello friends, in previous lecture we have discussed two important tests, which is open circuit test and short circuit test. Today in this lecture we will going to discuss one more important test, which is voltage ratio test of the transformer. Okay, before going into the voltage ratio test we should define the voltage ratio. Okay, so ratio of the primary side voltage and secondary side voltage can be defined as the voltage ratio of the particular transformer. Okay, now as such, to achieve that voltage ratio, basically primary side winding and secondary side winding are wound for the particular number of turns. If there is some counting mistake happens in the number of turns winding at the time of winding, so the voltage ratio which is required by the transformer cannot be achieved. So to check the actual voltage ratio of the transformer, this test is performed. Okay, now what are the basic type of the test we will discuss. So there are two methods by which the voltage ratio can be measured. Very first is voltmeter method and second one is ratio meter method. Okay, now let us try to discuss about the voltmeter method. So the figure shows the actual arrangement of the volt ratio measurement by voltmeter. Okay, in this figure you can see this transformer is used, which is supposed to, we are supposed to test the transformer is used, and on the HV side, that is high voltage side, we are supposed to employ input voltage, which is the rated one. If it is a single phase, we are supposed to employ 220 volt. If it is a three phase, we are supposed to employ 440 volt AC supply, and secondary side winding is kept open. Okay, so in LV side, HV side we have employed 1 voltmeter, and on the LV side we have employed 1 voltmeter, and whatever be the readings are taken out from the voltmeter, and by that reading we are supposed to check the ratio of the voltage ratio of the transformer. This is the very basic idea of the voltmeter method about checking the voltage ratio of the transformer. Okay, now let us go for the other method, that is using ratio meter method. In this figure you can see the actual arrangement of the transformer which is under test. One more transformer with the tappings is provided on the low voltage side of the transformer, which is connected over here, and the output is taken out from the tappings by varying the number of tappings from the tapping transformer which is connected to the low voltage side winding, and readings can be taken out, and by that the voltages we have employed in the input side, and we are taking out the current from the secondary side, and depending upon that we can find out the ratio of the transformer. So this is all about this voltage ratio measurement of the transformer. Thank you. So thank you guys. In next lecture we will discuss some other important test of the transformer. If you like the lecture, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Professor Rahul Jadhav. Thank you.